Thou hast done well, my son. To few indeed of thy race have the secrets of the yogi been revealed.
To you, my teacher, I express my thanks. What more can I learn?
Nothing now. The world needs thee. Go forth in thy youth and strength, and conquer the evil that threatens mankind. I have gazed in the crystal, and have seen the forces of death and destruction rising from the brain of a madman. Look.
Who is this man?
This man is Roxor, last of an ancient family that lived in Alexandria. He has built a home in the rock temple of Meidun that stands on the great cliffs above the third cataract of the Nile.
Why am I appointed to fight this man?
It is fate who has chosen thee for the task, my son. And because no man fights so well as when he is protecting his loved ones, fate has thrown thine own family into the path of this human monster. Look.
Dorothy, my sister.
Yes. Her husband has brought his family to Cairo so that he may be near his friend Roxor.
Yes, for years, my brother-in-law has worked to perfect a death ray strong enough to destroy whole cities. But he's never found it.
Homemade sandwich. 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 Homemade bacon. Black Forest ham.
This death ray in the
Genoa salami.
means an end to goodness. An end
Dublin
to all
cheddar.
that is noble. All
Very sharp and
that
delicious.
is sane.
Fresh mozzarella. Pepperoncinis. Lettuce. Black olives. And grated carrots.
Can't you do something? But surely the police must be able to find some trace of it. Oh, please telephone me as soon as you have any news at all. Thanks.
I forgot to do a layer of potato
Mother, you
chips.
mustn't worry. I'm
Next
sure we'll
time,
hear from
I'll
Father
put some
soon.
potato chips in there too.
Look at the letters I found. Where'd
Fuck
you
yeah.
get them, Betty? In the laboratory.
The laboratory. You
Fuck
can walk in
McDonald's.
the dark now.
Oh, Mother, how can anyone be hanging around the garden in this sandstorm? I thought I might find some clues.
But you mustn't go outside again.
Why? Did you see something?
Tell me, did you bolt the door when you came through?
I don't remember.
Nothing, Bobby. I thought I saw face
yes.
peering at that window.
Oh, Mother.
So good,
Let's
so
go
good.
away from here.
We can't, dearest. Not until we have some news from your father. Listen.
Yes.
I thought I heard the door close.
You know it's good when little pieces of goodness fall off the side and you have to go retrieve them. Little packages of flavor all on their own. Little bit of bacon here. Little piece of cheddar there.
Well, what's the matter? Don't you recognize me?
Oh, Frank.
There, now, don't cry, don't cry. I'm coming here to help you find Robert. My, Benny Lou, how you grown? And Bobby, too. But he's too big to kiss.
Sure, we're grown up pretty nearly, Uncle Frank.
Yeah,
so why
yes.
can't we stay in here? What you know about Father?
I'll tell you everything later, boy.
But there's something I want to know now.
What's that?
What was that bell that rang just before you came in?
That was an astral bell. It tells you when a yogi is near.
You're really a yogi now?
Mm-hmm. And when I hear that bell, I know it's a warning from a yogi that danger threatens.
Worrying about the ranger. What would the ranger say, Yogi? Bang, bang.
What's that?
It's only a fried dog down by the river.
Oh.
Mmm.
Now that I know your plans, no money on earth will persuade me to sell you the secret of the death ray. If you try to approach me again, I shall denounce you to the authorities. I'm convinced you are a madman and should be dealt with accordingly. Do you know whom this letter was intended for?
No.
This prisoner.
Where?
That I don't know. I tried to communicate with his mind, but the crystal revealed nothing. It must be...
Dead.
No. Probably drugged, that's all.
Moo.
Conscious.
Mmm. Mmm. Nom 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 nom.
Robert Regent, I'm calling. Calling. You see, it's useless. I'm calling and there's no response. brought you here?
Roxor.
Where did you see Roxor?
At the
Roxor.
wine cellar of
Roxor. 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 Yale. 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 Roxor.
Open in the name of Osiris, to blind eyes, sealed lips, deaf ears. I wish to see Roxor.
The Effendi is speaking with a friend and may not be disturbed.
He will see me. Tell him it is Princess Naji.
Naji. Ooh. Naughty Naji.
Bring the princess here. You mustn't let her find you here, Abdallah. I don't know yet whether she is to be a friend or an enemy.
She proves to be an enemy. I beg you let me deal with her.
What? You hate the Princess Naji?
I hate her, yet I want her more than I've ever wanted a woman before.
Very well. Abdallah. Naji opposes me, and you serve me well. There shall be a new slave, and you will shine. Let me have your cloak. That I may not feast my eyes.
Why have you sent for me, Roxor?
Why? To offer you my friendship. Oh, here we are.
Yes, but how are we going to
Oh
get in?
boy.
You're not going in. You're going to stay here and
Cheers.
watch.
But it'd be much more fun to go in with you.
Listen, Buck.
So,
In case anything happens
here's this
to me,
woman
your mother and Betty Lou will
with
be
no
there
arms
to
or
protect
legs,
them.
on the beach,
Take it.
sitting by herself, weeping. You know, she's in a bikini. I'm not sure how she got it on, but she's there weeping, watching the shore, watching the tide come in and out. And this guy's walking along the beach, and he decides to go up and talk to her, and he says, "Hi, lady, why are you crying?"
Open the name
She says,
of
"Well,
Osiris,
it's because I've
blind
never been
eyes.
fucked."
sealed lips.
So with that, he
Yeah.
sweeps her off her stumps, he picks her up, looks deep and passionately into her eyes, throws her in the water, and says, "Now you're fucked."
The great devil has multiplied our crops 100-fold.
What if I destroy those dams?
What?
Yeah. Do it with one blast from my chest.
Then where will the people be? More than 1 billion tons of water will sweep down on them, drowning them like rats. The greatest floods in the biblical deluge.
So, unless my people will join in making you a modern pharaoh, you will annihilate them.
I shall be greater than any pharaoh. Civilization and all its works shall be destroyed. Men shall turn to savages. Only one supreme.